What is the old money style, and why does it always look expensive? Old money, above all, means authenticity. An authenticity that has deep roots, is never in a hurry, and feels no need to show off. Old money represents a style that doesn't try to be seen, because it is confident in itself. In fashion, old money means choosing pieces that have stood the test of time. Authenticity means not blindly following fashion trends, choosing things that are timeless, and trusting personal taste rather than others' approval. That is why the old money style looks elegant today and will remain elegant 10 years from now. There are three main reasons. 1. Rooted simplicity. Old money simplicity is not accidental. It is backed by experience and authenticity. 2. Consistency and choice. Old money does not change with fashion trends. Trends come and go, but old money remains. 3J visual calm. When a style feels calm and balanced, the mind perceives it as luxurious. Many people dress well, but they are not old money because they dress in a crowded, overdone way, want everything all at once, and try hard to stand out. Old money, however, does not shout about being special, it lives its uniqueness. Colors rooted and authentic: soft white, cream, beige, navy, warm brown, classic black. These colors are neither boring nor time bound. They never go out of style. Fabric quality, not showiness. Old money doesn't shine from afar. It's felt up close. Wool, cashmere, crepe, silk, heavy, well-structured fabrics. Fit and tailoring, clean, classic. Unexaggerated, neither tight and showy nor loose and shapeless. If these are present, authenticity is lost. Large logos, loud, attention-seeking brands, excessive embellishments, fast, short-lived trends, extreme body exposure, old money. It never seeks instant validation. Is old money only for the wealthy? No, and this is the key point. Old money has nothing to do with price tags. It's a mindset, a quiet confidence in how choices are made. Sometimes a simple outfit, chosen with taste and intention, feels far more luxurious than an expensive one built on the wrong decisions. True elegance isn't bought, it's understood. Why has old money style become popular again? People are tired of fast fashion and are drawn to meaning, simplicity, and authenticity. At the same time, a weaker economy and smaller living spaces have pushed people toward less, but better, fewer items, but higher quality and longer lasting value. Old money fits this shift perfectly. A timeless, restrained, and intentional style, not for attention, but for lasting impact. If I had to sum up old money in one word, authenticity. Authenticity that is stylish today and never goes out of fashion. In the next video, we'll explore old money winter style, seeing how you can stay warm while remaining timeless, elegant, and luxurious. Thank you for following along with us. Why do you think the old money style is becoming more and more popular?